Across the country, deteriorating infrastructure, such as sewer pipes and manholes, possess a growing challenge for municipalities. These critical structures are essential to protecting our environment and society, ensuring the safe flow of fresh water, wastewater, and stormwater. Yet, they face growing challenges from infiltration, inflow, corrosion, and environmental stress. Introducing Fernco Infrastructure, a trusted and comprehensive suite of solutions to meet these challenges head-on. Manufacturers known for their innovation and expertise in manhole rehabilitation and trenchless pipe repair bring best-in-class products that professionals trust and prefer. Each of these solutions is a specialized product, crafted by proven brands with a commitment to performance and reliability. SealGuard polyurethane grouts offer fast-acting, durable sealing solutions, stopping active leaks and preventing infiltration in even the most demanding conditions. Strong Company cementitious products restore and reinforce manhole structures, extending their lifespan and enhancing overall system integrity. And when it comes to trenchless pipe repair, PipePatch provides a permanent, non-invasive solution to restore sewer pipes without the disruption of traditional excavation. At Fernco, we're proud to deliver these trusted brands as part of our commitment to safeguarding infrastructure. Their core values of innovation and quality align with ours, empowering us to not only repair what's below, but also secure the future above. Fernco Infrastructure, innovative solutions for a resilient tomorrow.